Hey pros, Crystal here from Elite Hair Care USA, Crystal W Online, and also Pro Beauty Wholesale. So I wanted to jump on and tell you guys, happy. My vocals are a little off right now. But anyway, happy new year, you guys. Happy 2024. Welcome to 2024. You know, your girl is working. I'm always working. My little piece of curls that I did the other day kind of messed up in front of my head. So while I film this video, I'm just going to go ahead and kind of curl this on super low heat. Anyhow, I wanted to let you guys know that we are having a flash sale today. And you guys always say, oh, I did not know, I did not know, I did not know this, I did not know that. Well, I'm letting you guys know personally about our second day of the new year flash sale. But this is a flash sale that you guys have never seen before. So number one, we have some bundle kits that are, are you ready for this? $20.24. You've never. So let me share with you guys exactly what is happening today. I can't use that comb. I need to use my other comb. So today only, as you guys know, it is January the 2nd, 2024. We are doing a flash sale where we have specific bundles that are $20.24, but these bundles are actually valued at over $200 in cost because we've bundled multiple items together. So we have 4 bundles in specific. We have our Hydra bundle, we have our Boost Me bundle, we have we have the Hydra bundle, the Boost Me bundle, the Edge bundle, and then we also have our Moisture Styling bundle. So these 4 bundles actually have multiple products in them. And like I said, it is only $20.24 per bundle. So the Edge bundle has our Edge Restoration Cream. I'm making sure I'm reading my paper right. Edge Restoration Cream, also our B7 Hair Serum. It also has our Boss Up and Branding 5 ebook package. It also has our Hair Care Masterclass that some of you wanted to take, and maybe it just wasn't in your range at that time. But for those of you that don't know, our Boss Up and Branding ebook package, that's $114. It also has our Mindset and Confidence 5 ebook bundle in there. That is also $114. Go check these prices on my site right now, you guys, okay? It also includes our Hair Care Masterclass. That is a $59.99 value, right? Plus, as an added plus, you get a free digital copy of our Hair Care Success Planner that you are able to print at your local printer, or you can print it at home and be able to track your hair care success for the next couple months since the year has just started. So we want to make sure that you guys have everything you need to get yourself in order. So that is our Edge bundle. That bundle, like I said, includes the Mindset and Confidence ebook pack, which is 5 ebooks, our Hair Care Masterclass, the full version, and you get access to that class for, I think it's 6 months. 6 months. No additional cost for any of this stuff. Our Boss Up and Branding 5 ebook pack, our B7 Hair Serum, and also our Edge Restoration Cream. All of that is included in the Edge bundle for, like I said, $20.24. If you haven't caught on, $20.24. Just so you guys know, this flash sale of these 4 bundles is only today. I might have it another day, who knows? But as of right now, it is only today. Okay. All right, so let me turn this iron off. Let me give you guys the other bundle. So then we have our Hydra bundle. The Hydra bundle includes a low porosity, ultra hydrate, protein-free hydration hair mask. It also includes a frizz control. If you didn't notice, this bundle is more about hydration. And it also includes a copy of our low porosity hair care video guide for free. You get access to that for 6 months. A copy of the Hair Care Masterclass. This is a actual digital class, you guys. So these products come automatically to your inbox. The moment you purchase, you get access to all of the ebooks, all of the digital guides. The only thing that you have to wait for is your products to ship, which is the 2 products that is included in the bundle. You also get access to the Mindset and Confidence ebook bundle, which is the 5-book bundle. Once again, that's $114 value. value. The Hair Care Masterclass, $59.99. The Low Porosity Hair Guide, that's $39. So you're getting all of these different digital copies or digital versions, including our video guides, as well as the frizz control and the low porosity protein-free hair mask. Bundle number 3, not 4, number 3. So bundle number 3 is our moisture styling bundle. This bundle, you get a bottle of our Moisture Repair leave-in spray, and you also get a 12-ounce jar of our Definitely Curl Defining Cream. You get a digital copy of our Hair Care Success Planner as an added free bonus. You get a digital copy of our low porosity ebook. So the Hydra bundle included the low porosity video guide. The moisture styling bundle includes the low porosity ebook. You also get the Mindset and Confidence 5-book guide. I'm getting so tongue-tied, you guys. There's so much information. So you get all of that and a copy of the Hair Care Masterclass in this actual bundle for, once again, $20.24. Now, if you just right now took the 2 products alone and put them together, you're already over $20.24 just with the 2 products. So the fact that you're getting over $200 in digital content that is going to, number one, change your life, because guess what? We all went into 2024 probably feeling sad, down, tired, burnt out, drained from the whole 2023. Let me put my 2 hands together because I am one of them. Okay, 2023 was a very different year from my life. 2023 had a lot of heartache in it. It also had a lot of celebration because that was the year Kasim was born. But outside of Kasim coming into this world, my life was in turmoil. So we all can do a little bit of mindset shifting and confidence building. So the fact that all of the bundles are going to include the mindset, because I want you guys to, except for one, I want you guys to get your minds right for 2024. It's the second day of the year, so you got time to get it done, right? Okay. Then, of course, the Hair Care Masterclass. That masterclass talks about porosity, everything under the sun. So I'm making sure that your hair game is also 100% in the right place, right? Okay, good. And then our Boss Up and Branding ebook guide. Come on now. A lot of you wanted to start a business. A lot of you are waiting for Pro Beauty Wholesale, or maybe you already have a business and you just need to boss the hell up. That's included in it too for $20.24. All right. Lastly, I know y'all are like, this girl is goofy. This girl is kind of like, a little crazy. You know, I've always been told that I was crazy for in other reasons more than that. Anyway, neither here nor there. Okay, the last bundle is our Boost Me bundle. Okay, so these 4 bundles, they all have the number 2024 in the name. They are all on our homepage in the bundle kits. They are also on some of the different menu pages on the website. But you can also just go to the bundle kits section and you will see all of these on the menu from the bundle kits, okay? So the last one is our Boost Me bundle kit that includes a 4-ounce bottle of our Boost. A lot of you don't even know about Boost. Boost is bomb. What? Boost can be used on any texture of hair. Boost can be used while you have braids in. Boost can be used while you have crochet. Boost can be used while you have your wig on. It just cannot be applied to where the wig adhesive is because you never put anything of moisture or oil in that area. Outside of that, you can still boost your hair growth and your hair care. Okay, anyhow. You know, I'm crazy. Okay. Anyway, also includes a bottle of our hair repair and restoration conditioner in that bundle. You also get access to our medium and high porosity class, right? Because this is kind of more into repair, right? And a lot of you who are medium and high porosity, this is the definite bundle for you, along with some of the other bundles. But this is you get a copy of the medium and high porosity class. This is a digital download, so it comes to you immediately following you purchasing. You also get access to the Hair Care Masterclass for 6 months. You get access to the medium high porosity class as well for 6 months. You also get access to our Boss Up and Branding ebook guide bundle kit, which is the 5 books. And lastly, as an added bonus, you get a copy of our digital Hair Care Success Planner that you can actually print out wherever you like, or you can just print a black and white version at your house and save that baby and, you know, take care of tracking your hair care. So you're getting 6 items in each one of these bundles. And each bundle is over $200 in value, I promise. You will see the actual value on the actual, you know what? Hold on. I'm going to tell you guys. The Edge Restore bundle, that bundle with all 6 of those items in price, if you were to buy these items individually, you'd spend $253.96. But you're getting it for $20.20. You guys know that this will never happen again, okay? This will never happen again in regards to this kind of markdown unless I decide to one day do the 2024 sale again, which I don't really know if I'm going to be able to do that again, because this is the time. This is why. We want you to get yourself ready for 2024. It's going to be a better year than 2023 because 2023 sucks. Anyway, you guys, I know you guys are sitting there like, Crystal, what did you take today? Nothing at all. I didn't. I'm just make the best out of your day. Make the best out of your day. I'm giving myself a little volume. You guys see I just curled the front part of my hair. And then letting this dry. I'm using what I have at home. This is how I give myself volume. This is how you guys be like, oh my gosh, Crystal, you do not have fine textured hair. Well, I do. That's number 1. Number 2, I take good care of my hair. I mean, come on now. I'm teaching y'all how to take good care of your hair through my hair care masterclass all by itself. So go get your bundle. Just get your bundles, guys. By the way, our new Flow 3-in-1 combs are also included in the promotions. Any purchase over $100, you get this comb for free, automatically. So if you get multiple bundles, you're going to get this comb for free. You can also still take advantage of the $13 or less sale, where some of our products are $10.99, other products are $12.99. Of course, if you're going to get bundles, guys, don't get the same product that's in the bundle unless you need multiples of that product, which I understand that point. But if not, guys, go ahead, stock up on your products. Stock up on your products. Did I say that? Stock up on your products. All right. I love y'all. I love y'all. Have an amazing 2024. Have an amazing rest of your second day of the year. Smile. And as Tabitha Brown would say, if you're having a bad day, it's okay, but don't go messing it up for nobody else. All right? I love you. Peace and love. Bye-bye.